Hello and welcome to the SolidCAM 2021 Summit. My name is Baruch Nissenbaum and I will give a short intro about artificial intelligence in general and a few details about the upcoming drilling wizard. In recent years, we see more and more software and devices becoming smarter. For example, most cameras today have built-in smile detection. This feature is backed by sophisticated technology, yet it is simple to use and it enables the user to get perfect results every time. AI is becoming a significant tool in science and in technology. Recent developments in artificial intelligence, like Google AlphaFold, help scientists understand our world better. These tools enable understanding proteins and developing medication and drugs. It is now possible to help people with impaired vision to perform normal tasks like reading and recognizing other people. Intelligent technology can enhance senses and open possibilities for people. Intelligent software, devices, and robotics serve as productive tools for creative people. Common software packages for editing graphics and images, for example, contain productivity features that save time by utilizing smart algorithms. This makes it simpler to perform operations that once were tedious or even impractical. Artificial intelligence is a general name that refers to any software or system that performs tasks that normally require human intelligence. There are many such tasks, for example, recognizing a person in a picture, translating a letter, playing chess, navigation in traffic, and so on. Machine learning systems are a specific class of artificial intelligence systems. Machine learning systems are adaptive. They use statistical models to learn the best solution to the problem they are designed to solve. They can make decisions and improve the strategy over time according to experience. Neural network systems are machine learning systems that have a very specific structure that is modeled after the human neural system. Machine learning uses information and feedback to improve. This is done by enhancing parameters and behaviors that lead to desired results and reducing the effect of parameters that lead to undesired results. Getting good results usually requires a lot of iterations. Typically, training a complex model requires big data and powerful data centers that are capable of performing the required calculations. There are many algorithms of machine learning. One of them is genetic algorithms. Here is an example of a genetic algorithm that is designed to find the best strategy for automatically driving a car in a racing game. First, the software starts by creating a set of cars. Each car has a unique random setup. Every car in the set is simulated and its performance is measured. Since the setup is random, some cars perform better than others. Then, the best few cars are selected and a new generation is created such that parameters are based on the best performing variants. The process of trial and selection is repeated, and after some time the results are better and better. Genetic algorithms find uses in real-world applications. These include natural language processing, optimizing material flow in a factory, or preparing a portfolio of stocks. In nature, senses, memory, and intelligence are all done by our nervous system. The neural system is made out of neurons, which are special cells that have long extensions called axons. When the neuron is stimulated above some threshold, the neuron fires. When this happens, the signal is passed down the axon and can in turn stimulate other neurons via special connections between the neurons that are called synapses. This mechanism of stimulation, fire, and connectivity is the natural hardware of our intelligence. Long-term memory and adaptation are related to the structure and connectivity between the neurons. Artificial neural networks are software and hardware systems that are inspired by natural neural networks. Here, the neurons are modeled by activation functions instead of living cells, and the connectivity between neurons is modeled by matrices and tensors instead of axons and synapses. Artificial neural networks are being developed since the 1950s, but they gained practical importance only in recent years thanks to advances in algorithms and in hardware. Machine learning adds value to many products and services. Therefore, they are gaining economical importance. Most machine learning services are cloud-based, utilizing the benefits of modern hardware and powerful data centers. Being a technology leader, SolidCAM has been providing intelligent algorithms for many years. Intelligent algorithms are the power behind the success of iMachining, and more recently SolidCAM provides geometry analysis and the flexibility of a tailor-made rule-based system. And finally, a few details about the upcoming Intelligent Drilling Wizard. The wizard is designed to give default drilling strategy as a natural part of the job definition workflow. The strategy will be based in common practices together with specific user preferences and user experience. The system will learn and improve over time. The wizard, same as SolidCAM in general, keeps the CAM programmer in full control. The software will never override or replace the decisions made by the user. The new edition will work seamlessly with current user interface and workflow. The new drilling wizard will provide great customer value. It will simplify work and speed up common tasks. The operations will be natural, and it will be fluent with current user interface and workflow. As mentioned earlier, machine learning systems are expensive and complex. We are working hard to make this service available in our SolidCAM 2022 edition in a way that will be both cost-effective and maintenance-free. We also plan solutions that will be available at a later stage to customers with isolated networks. I would like to thank you for joining me in this presentation, and I wish you a good and productive SolidCAM event. Thank you.